Good morning to all. I welcome you all to this didactic program, Thirukkuralodu Naam, attending in fact with a noble desire to reach the seat of grace in life by practicing the ethical values of Thiruvalluvvar.
Couplet number 719, chapter The Knowledge of the Council Chamber. Anna was born on 15th September 1909 in a middle-class family at Kanchipuram to Natharasan Mudaliyar and Bangaru Ammal. He studied economics and political science in Chennai Pachayappa's College. During those days, there was a thought among the people that even a person studied to a certain level should speak only English. If a person studied graduation, then he should converse with others only in English. During the college days, Anna went to his grandmother's house for a holiday. The people in the house did not know English. However, they compelled Anna to speak in English. But Anna knew that they wanted to ridicule him by making him to speak in English. He did not do so. They ridiculed him that he could not speak in English, and Anna did not take the insult seriously. On another occasion, students from England wanted to hear Anna to speak so that they could insult him. So, they met Anna and asked him whether he could speak with a word because by using the same word 3 times in a sentence. Anna spoke. No sentence can end with because is a conjunction. There's an equivalent word in Tamil also that Anna pointed out the same to the students because these words are called connective words. Anna attracted the people because of his good speech and lectures. He knew very well when to speak and when to remain silent. A scholar who could know how to present a subject in front of learned will never forget that he should not speak in front of people without wisdom. Our saint Tamil poet Thiruvalluvvar explains about this in his Thirukkural as follows. புல்லவையுள் பொச்சாந்தும் சொல்லற்க நல்லவையுள் நன்கு செல சொல்லுவார் ஐரசாட். புல்லவையுள் பொச்சாந்தும் சொல்லற்க நல்லவையுள் நன்கு செல சொல்லுவார். Better not to speak before the unlearned, good to speak before the learned. Thank you very much. Indeed, Nandri, Vanakkam.